Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming power and safety. Verify the battery reads at least 80% and that the charger is available. Put on gloves, goggles, and a mask because splashes and fumes are the main hazards. Next, measure and strain the spray liquid into a calibrated cup. Follow label dilution ratios exactly and pour into the tank slowly to avoid foaming. Once done, secure the lid, check seals, and prime the pump briefly so air is expelled before you move to spraying. You now focus on consistent application. Adjust the nozzle to the recommended droplet size and spray angle, then test a short pass on cardboard to verify pattern. Next, set pressure and flow on the controller to match the label's recommended output, and plan your walking speed and swath width to keep application uniform. Make sure the backpack straps are tightened so the weight sits on hips. Once comfortable, begin from the upwind side and overlap passes slightly for full coverage. You finish by stopping the sprayer against the wind, then switch off power and depressurize the system according to the manual. Rinse the tank and run clean water through the pump and nozzle until clear. Filter screens should be inspected and replaced if fouled. Disconnect and store the battery upright in a cool, dry place and recharge within the recommended window. If a clog happens, make sure the unit is off, relieve pressure, remove the nozzle and filter, then clear and reassemble before restarting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.